Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So we're going to be making some brownies, so let's get started. Okay, so this is the Martha White and the brownie bites, but we're going to be baking the brownie in the pie pan here with the parchment paper, and this I got at the Dollar Tree. So all I need is 3 tablespoons of oil and then 1 egg, and then we're going to mix this together. So let's try that. Okay, 1 egg. And I couldn't find the tablespoon measure. This is the half a tablespoon. So we're just gonna do, here's 1 tablespoon. 2, 3. I don't know what happened. I'm gonna have to get some more measuring spoons. All right. Now we are going to open this, and I'm going to pour that brownie mix in here. Let's get this all mixed up. Let me get done mixing this, guys. All right, so this was so thick, I did add a tablespoon of water, even though it didn't say so, but it was very thick, guys. So I did have the oven preheating at 350 degrees, and I believe it needs to be in there about 15-20 minutes. Yep, the oven is ready. So let's go pour the mix in. All right. Okay. I'll check it because this doesn't look like a lot of mixture here. So I'm just gonna have to keep checking this, guys, because this is not a lot of mixture. I'm hoping it proofs up a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna pop this in for about 10 minutes, check it, and then put it back in for another 5. Let's see how this goes, guys, because the pan doesn't have a lot of the mix. Let's see if that poofs up. Okay, so I just took the pan out of the oven. It is very hot. It didn't poof up very much, guys. Let's see if you can take a closer look. We're gonna leave it here to cool before I cut it, and then I will bring you right back, okay? Okay, guys, so it's nice and chewy. I took it out exactly when I wanted to take it out because I didn't want it to be dry. So it's delicious, guys. This is what it looks like. We don't need the board. Let's head on over to the reveal.